How to activate a Visa card by phone. So let's get started. Call the phone number on the front sticker or on the back of the card. Look for a toll-free activation number included on the sticker attached to your card or in any accompanying letters or instructions. If you have no sticker instructions, dial the customer service or activation phone number listed on the back of the card. Provide the 16-digit card number, security code, and expiration date. Read the numbers out loud to a live customer service agent as prompted, or enter them on your phone's keypad if you are on an automated call. Speak slowly and clearly so the agent can enter all of your information correctly. You may be asked to create a 4-digit PIN to enable purchases. Then contact Visa directly to resolve any activation issues. If you have any questions or concerns during activation, or if the activation was unsuccessful for any reason, call, chat, or email Visa's customer support. Look for the customer service phone number on the back of the card or Google Visa customer support. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.